Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. Are you looking for an alternative heat source, or do you really want a fireplace in your house but don't want to commit to all the work of a wood stove? Well, this fireplace infrared insert from Classic Flame is the perfect solution for you. This heater has so many different options for flames, for the color, for the brightness. It has a lot of different heat options. It has a timer. It actually has a really cool sensor on the front. So if something is too close to it, it will shut off to protect the item. I really enjoy that we can just turn it on to warm up the room a little bit without having to turn the heat on in the entire house. It is great for those chilly mornings or chilly late nights where you just want to have a little bit of heat without too much work. If you want something that is not only functional but also pretty, this infrared heater from Classic Flame is such a great option for your home. It plugs right into a normal outlet, so it does not take a lot of work to install. You can put it virtually anywhere. We really love this heater in our home. It is so convenient and does not cost a whole lot to run. So it is such a great alternative to having to turn our furnace on and use that oil heat, which is so expensive. We really love this fireplace insert from Classic Flame. If it's something that you're considering getting, I 100% recommend it. And that is my point of view.